Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andi in case you are new here, and today I brought you this gorgeous crochet swirl earring tutorial. They're very easy to be made, beginner friendly. They only take a couple of minutes to be prepared as well. Of course, don't forget to show them to me once they are ready by tagging me on my other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram as well. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. We will need to have the following materials for these earrings. We are going to use size 2 100% cotton yarns. These are scrap yarns, but they are from Trasfere. I'm going to place the name on the screen. Then we are going to use a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. We need to have a yarn needle, 2 earring hangers, wooden beads. These ones are 8 millimeters each one of them. And then we will need to have a scissor. We're going to start by making a slip knot. So just insert two of your finger, rotate it, and grab the longer yarn, pull out, insert your crochet hook, tighten it, and then we're going to chain 5. So yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to insert the crochet hook into the first loop, grab the yarn, and make a slip stitch. We're creating this little circle here. Then we will need to chain 1 and make 10 single crochets into this little ring. So insert inside, also include this yarn. So we're crocheting over this too. Grab the yarn and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and finally 10. All right, now we are going to join to the first single crochet stop. Okay, so we're going to insert it here, the crochet hook, just like this, grab the yarn and then pull it through. At this point we can cut this excess yarn from the initial starting yarn, and now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and yarn over, and we are going to insert the crochet hook into the next chain here and make a double crochet. Then chain 1 and then double crochet into the next stitch. So initially these chains, they stand for our first double crochet, and then we did 1, 2, as if we have 3. We need to have altogether 8 of these, so we chain 1, next stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet to the next stitch, chain 1 and double crochet to the next one. Like this. Have a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 of this. Now pull out the yarn. We're gonna put it on the side and grab the other color. We're going to make a slip knot, tighten, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, instead of joining them together here, we're going to grab this previously made circle. We're going to insert it in the center point, pull it through, and we are going to close this circle here. So we're gonna grab the first loop, pull through, and make a slip stitch. Now here we will need to chain 1, and we are going to make 10 times single crochet around. So have a look, insert, under, 1, 2, you might have to rotate it, 3, 4, and then finally 10. Okay, now we are going to join again with the first stitch that we did here. We're going to make a slip stitch. At this point we can again cut this excess yarn, the starter yarn, and then we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This stands for our first double crochet, and we need to have all together 8 again. So yarn over, next stitch we're going to insert, double crochet, then chain 1, double crochet. So this is our third, chain 1, next one, 4, chain 1, and double crochet to the next one. This is the 8th. Good job. So now we're going to hold it, so we have to kind of find a way where it started and where it finished. So have a look. We kind of have to add them together. Okay, this is where it started, this is where it finished, so it kind of rotates in each other. And I'm gonna look for the first chain here, and on the top of this one here I'm going to make a slip stitch, just like this. And then now we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then in the next stitch, next top chain, we're going to insert the crochet hook, grab the yarn, and make a slip stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, next stitch, a slip stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, next stitch, a slip stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, next stitch, a slip stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, next stitch, a slip stitch. Chain 2, next one a slip stitch again, chain 2, 1, 2, next stitch, slip stitch, chain 2, 1, 2, next stitch, a slip stitch, chain 2, slip stitch, And then here, just pull the yarn out slightly. We still need to work with that, but we're not done yet. Then we're gonna get this yellow yarn. We're going to swap, and now we're going to hold the yellow yarn. We're gonna look for the first double crochet stop, which is here, and we are going to insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, chain 2, and we are going to repeat the same things. We are going to make slip stitch into every chain until this point. So a slip stitch in the top, chain 2, 1, 2, and then slip stitch, and just carry on like this till this point, and I'll see you there. Okay, here we are. We're going to still make chain 2 and a slip stitch, and we still need to do this last stitch. Okay, so we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch here, so they kind of meet with each other. Okay, and then we're going to chain 1, leave some excess tail, and then cut. Now we can pull the yellow one out and secure it. Now we come back to the green, and then again we still need to do chain 2, next stitch, and then finally the last one, chain 2, 1, 2, and here we're going to insert, slip stitch, then chain 1, leave some tail, and cut the yarn. You can pull that out just like this. Have a look. And now we will need to sew these parts away. So we're going to add the yarn needle, and then we are just going to stitch this one away. So this one is yellow. I'm going to just on the back side guide it a little bit between the stitches, so it won't interfere with the pattern, but at least it's nicely stitched away. See, it's not visible from the front. I'm going to guide it up to the top part. And in the center top chain, have a look here, I'm going to guide it up. I'm going to add one bead on the top. Then we are going to guide it back exactly in the same stitch on the top, just like this. But make sure that you keep a loop on the top, because this is where you need to insert the earring hanger. We're going to add the earring hanger. Close it. And this is the back side, right? So we're going to pull onto this yarn. Just like this. And then we have to stitch this one away. Okay, we're gonna make sure that it won't come off. So we're gonna make a couple of securing stitches. Going to secure. And just a couple of more before we cut the excess yarn. And then we can cut it. Okay. And then now we just have to do the same with the green one as well. So we just guide it between the stitches and then we cut it. Now one of our earring is ready, and of course don't forget you have to make another one from these two. So our gorgeous earrings just got ready, and I hope that you're happy with the result. I think they turn out very beautiful. Please don't forget to show them to me by tagging me on my other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram. Of course, don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos as well. Now take care, and I'll see you very soon in my next video too. Bye bye.